What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the Deity VO-7U, and before we get started with this video, I'm sorry if I sound a little bit stuffed up, but all the audio in this video is going to be recorded on this microphone. This is a $169 USB microphone, which puts it above all USB microphones that were reviewed on this channel. But I'm super stoked to introduce you guys to this microphone because I think it's one of the best microphones out there on the market when it comes to USB microphones because of how many features it's packed and because of the audio quality it can deliver via USB. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the Deity VO-7U, and in the box you have two options when you buy this microphone. You can either buy the microphone by itself, or you can buy a bundle that comes with a boom arm and a clamp on the desk that doubles as a headphone stand as well, which is awesome. Or you can buy just the microphone itself, which is the unit that was sent to me to review by Deity. In the package I got two cables. One of them is USB-C to USB-C, one of them is USB-C to USB-A, which is the one I'm currently using on my PC. This microphone is compatible with any device that you want to plug it into, whether it's a PlayStation 5, a phone, or a Chromebook, or whatever it is that you need it to. So they give you the two cables, which is really nice. It also comes with this stand that comes included in the box. Pretty sturdy stand. You can rotate it around, has a ball at the top, and the package that I have cost $169, so the difference is $30 either with a boom arm or just the microphone itself. But do not worry if you do not get the boom arm, because this microphone can attach to any boom arm that you want. It has multiple mounting options on the bottom of it, which is really nice. And then obviously you get the microphone itself, which is gorgeous. It's so beautiful. It's one of the prettiest microphones I've ever seen. The design, the look, the colors on the microphone. Keep in mind this microphone comes in black and white, so you can choose between the two colors. I honestly wanted the white version when I asked him to send me one, but it was out of stock. Other than that, the microphone itself uses a super cardioid dynamic pattern, which means it's going to be excluding noise a lot. In my room right now, I have my PC right there, and my PC is super loud, so you're not hearing it as much probably coming through the microphone. And here I'll be quiet for like 10 seconds, let you guys hear how much noise this microphone will pick up when you're not talking. There you go, almost zero noise coming through the microphone when you're not talking, which is an incredible feature. When it comes to features of this microphone, in the front you have a mute button. You just click that and then the microphone will start flashing red, which is something that some people might like, some people might not like. I personally don't really care. But moving on to the sides, you have a gain knob to adjust the audio, which also this microphone has a hardware limiter to limit the audio so it's not clipping. Once you set the gain on the knob above 50%, the microphone itself will engage the hardware limiter. Right now it's actually engaged, so if I'm yelling into the microphone, it's not going to clip it as much. Because I have it at 75% right now. And then this audio gain actually doubles as a controller for the RGB. To turn on the RGB, all you have to do is hold it. Once you hold it, the RGB is on, and you just keep clicking it and the RGB will go through it. And it has 12 different RGB modes. Personally, I like either the white that goes around or just the RGB going all around. That's a really nice feature that some streamers might actually really like a lot. In my case, I like it because I have RGB in my setup. Need a water break, 1 second. Going to the other side of the microphone, you have a controller for controlling the feedback that comes back from the microphone, because on the bottom there's a plug, a 3.5 jack that you can plug your headphones into. Something that I really like about this microphone is the way that it mounts. Right here you get a rotating axle that can adjust the microphone like this, and you get one right here so you can adjust it like this as well. So that's something that not a lot of USB microphones offer, but I really like it. It makes it feel more high-end of a microphone. Personally, that's what I think. Other than that, that was pretty much it. Now I'm going to give you guys my opinion of this microphone. I've already listened to the audio through the microphone, and I have to say it is the best microphone I've ever used, but it is also the most expensive microphone I've ever used. So I don't know if it's the best USB microphone you can buy, but in my opinion, this is the holy grail of USB microphones that I've ever tested. I'm going to be using it from now on for voiceovers and everything that I'm going to be doing. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I'd love to hear your opinion about this microphone. Do you guys think it's good? Do you think it's worth $169 or what? Just let me know, and I appreciate the feedback. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.